Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your account on ManageBac. You should have received a welcome email from ManageBac. So I will follow the instructions. Please click the button below to set your password and sign in. Click on Set Password and then create your own password. Confirm the password again and set the password. Your password has been reset. You may now log in. So I'm going to use my email address. And it's also mentioned here as well. My email that the account has been created for is also mentioned here. And I'm going to input my password that I have just created. And then I'm going to sign in. And I have now logged in successfully as a parent.